Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do the UCAS application, which is a little bit tricky. So first off, you can decide whether you want to do an undergraduate course or like a postgraduate course, and then you type in the course you want to do. I typed in interior design just as an example. Then the website leads you to a page that looks similar to this. It shows all the different courses you can do, and then you can, for example, type in where you want to study so that your search is more specific if you have like a specific university in mind. Then you can see the key aspects such as whether you are studying full time or not, and you can put the course to your favorite, but you do have to sign in to do that. And then you can look into more details that are on the UCAS website. The most important aspects are there, such as like points of entry, entry requirements. And then you can go on the website directly and choose an undergraduate course as well, and then you can look into the more specific details, but you do have to look up your course again. Then you can see the entry requirements, portfolio guidance, and also fees and funding. You can specify on which subjects you want to do. Maybe you want to do design, and so that you get a wider variety. And you can also choose how you want to study, maybe full-time, flexible, part-time. And maybe you can type in London if you want to study near there, or you can choose a area of England, for example, like the south east or something, or you could just choose any other area of the UK. What I found really handy was the map view, because maybe you want to go to a specific area, and this way you can see exactly where all the unis are that do your course. For example, maybe you just want to go to London, so you can look into any course you want to go to in more specific. One criteria you definitely have to look out for is the Teaching Excellent Framework certificate, because it shows you which university is any good, and usually look for silver or gold. All courses in the UK are normally 3 years if you do an undergraduate course. You can do a foundation year before that, and then it will be 4 years. And you have to apply by the 15th of January. That's every year the same. When you've made a decision about which 5 courses you want to go to, then the course code, the institution code, and the campus name are important, so do keep track of those. The entry requirements that are on the UCAS website are normally just for citizens from the UK. Apart from your academic requirements, you do always have to go to an interview afterwards, and for art-based courses you have to hand in a portfolio. The cost of studying in the UK is really expensive. For internationals it can be up to £23,000, but for students from the UK or from the EU it is £9,250 for the next year. When you want to start filling out your UCAS application, you have to register at the top right corner, and then you can choose if you want to apply for an undergraduate or postgraduate course. Then you need to register, and after that you can log in anytime. This site is your personal space where you have to upload all the details the universities need, starting with personal details from your name to your address to your email and the day you were born, and what citizenship you have. And then you have to fill out all these details. Maybe apply first to look into them a little bit more. You can also get information on how to finance your studies. For example, you can get a student loan. Then you can type in your choices. You have 5 choices, and you have to put in the details I was talking about earlier. Then you have to put in all the schools you went to, from your primary school to the school you are attending right now, and also all the qualifications you have achieved. Then you can put in your language test qualifications, such as the IELTS test, and you do have to put in any employment and your personal statement as well. And at the end, you have to put in your referee details, which can be a teacher. That was my video. I hope you got an insight of the UCAS website,